In this video, we'll go over desktop controls and navigation in Shapelab. On desktop, most interactions are handled using the mouse and keyboard. The left mouse button is for selecting, sculpting, and editing objects. Shapelab offers two main navigation styles. Using the Alt key, you can control the camera like this. Alt, click and drag to orbit. Alt, shift and drag to pan. Alt, control and drag to zoom. This method is especially useful if you're coming from traditional 3D software. Alternatively, you can navigate using mouse buttons directly. Middle mouse button to orbit, right mouse button or shift plus middle mouse to pan, scroll wheel or control plus middle mouse to zoom. There are also a few important modifier shortcuts. Hold shift to activate the secondary tool. Hold Ctrl to invert your current tool, press X to toggle tool inversion. You can customize your desktop experience under Options, Desktop Settings. Here you can show or hide UI elements, adjust the overall UI scale, enable UI resize controls. You can also change how navigation behaves. For zooming, you can choose between Classic, Object-Focused, Cursor-Focused. For orbiting, you can choose around the view center, around the selected object, or around the cursor. If you're using a tablet, Shapelab supports pen tilt, rotation, and pressure sensitivity. These settings can be configured under Pen Settings in the Desktop Settings menu.